So hi, in this video I am going to show you how to generate pedestrian catchment data and put it in your map. So before I begin, I want to explain to you what pedestrian catchment is and what it means to have this color here in your map. So pedestrian catchment or walkable catchment is maps showing the actual area within a 5 or 10 minutes walking distance from any center or any major transport stop such as railway station. So let's say that you put your starting point here, and then it's going to measure based on the walkable distance, like how much people can reach area within 10 minutes walking distance. So if you see here, this color, this specific color is the 10 minutes walking distance of a center around here. So if I were to stand here, the 10 minutes walking distance of each direction is going to be in this green color. So walkable catchment calculation are expressed as the actual area within this 10 minutes walking distance and as a percentage of the theoretical area. So the theoretical area here, the 10 minutes walking distance, is shown as a circle with a radius of about 800 meters drawn around any particular center. So this is going to be the 800 radius, and this is going to be the footpath of a person that is going to start here, and 10 minutes they can walk to here or to here. So I hope that's not going to be too confusing for you about pedestrian catchment. So how I get this data is you can actually go to the site and you can actually measure yourself, time yourself, and then you can walk around and see how much area that you can reach within 10 minutes walking. Or in a more easier way and a more so that you can catch like a really large area. In a more easier way, you can just go to Google, and then you can just type in pedestrian catch or PEDCATCH.com. So this site is a site specifically designed to help us to measure the pedestrian catchment within certain amount of walking distance. So now I am going to type in the area that I want to get. I'm going to type in Airport West. You can type in any location you want to generate the data from. So now you can to zoom in to your maps, you press Ctrl and then you scroll, zoom in or zoom out, or you can use this symbol here to zoom in and or to zoom out. So here I have the starting point here. You can move this starting point on any some sort of line you want, whichever you want to start from. So I want to start from here, and then I am going to set the time, it's 10 minutes, and then for the star makers, for the yellow points, you can start with 1 or you can start with 2, so you can move the other around here, or you can start with 3 points, so it's going to measure the pedestrian catchment 3 points at the same time. But for now, I am just going to choose 1, and then as for the speed, I'm going to leave it that way. And then for the gradient, this is the slope of the map, the gradient of your map. And then here I'm going to select offset buffer 25 meters. It's going to show like that. So that shape is of the 25 meters offset buffer of your footpath. So here Now I'm going to click start, and then I'm going to wait for it to measure. So now as you can see here, this is the radius here, the 800 meters radius for 10 minutes walking distance, and then this is the area that you can reach within 10 minutes walking from this center here. So you can see that it stops right here because you cannot cross there, because if you see here, this is a heavy rail, so it's pretty accurate, the walkable pad around here. So now that you have already get this pad, now you can select download KML scenario, and then you wait for a while for it to download your data. So you can see here it's already downloading your data. You can show in your folder, and I'm just going to quickly copy this to my folder here. So now I can go to QGIS, and you can open up your map, your cadastre or buildings or whatever you have in QGIS. I have shown in the previous video on how to generate this cadastre and building data from the Victoria government website. So now I'm going to go to my folder where my PEDCATCH is at. So it's on here. I'm just going to refresh. So you see here, this is the PEDCATCH KML data that I have downloaded, and then now I can go to here, select this, and then select this convex hulls file, and then you just drag it here. So it's automatically putting your PEDCATCH at the location that you generate from this. So you can see it's at the same location. So it's at the same location. So you can see here, this is your PEDCATCH around this area. You can do it for the rest of your map, from every point that you want to get your PEDCATCH in, like that. So that is how to use the PEDCATCH website, as well as putting it in your map via QGIS.